New Zontes 703F Chinese-made three-cylinder models coming in 2024. When it was originally conceived, the Zontes Triple was intended to appear in a range of sizes from around 600cc to 1000cc, but it's now clear that the initial version will be a 699cc middleweight option powering two models, the Zontes 703F Adventure Bike and the Zontes 703RR Sport Bike. Both machines were shown at EICMA in Milan as prototypes, but production is expected to begin before the end of next year, and the three-cylinder machines are expected to be offered globally rather than just in China. In its homeland, Zontes has been stung by criticism that its current range is made up purely of single-cylinder bikes at a time that many of its rivals are turning to parallel twins. So the decision to go to a three-cylinder engine is a conscious move to leapfrog other middleweight brands, at least in terms of cylinder count. At its original announcement, the Zontes engine had the potential to be China's first three-cylinder motorcycle, but that ship has sailed. Not only has Benelli restarted production of the TNT 899 with manufacturing moved to China, but CF Moto has also shown its own 675cc three-cylinder, destined for a new 675 SR sport bike in the very near future. Details of the two bikes are relatively scant, but Zontes is claiming a peak power of 100 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 63 lb featuring of torque at 7,200 revolutions per minute for the adventure-style 703F, and expects the engine to be fully Euro 5+ type approved, meaning it will comply with most of the world's toughest emissions rules. The 703F itself has an alloy chassis and swing arm, Brembo radial mount brake calipers, and a combination of 21-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels that suggest some real off-road ability. Its styling avoids the cliched beak of so many adventure models, instead opting for a steep, tall screen above a bluff nose. The designers have foregone curves too. Almost every line on the bike is arrow straight, intersected by crisp folds.